Morning, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Opened up at the 8 a.m. Looked like we had a topping pattern going on. We'll talk about what I saw a little bit later. But this is the 1P target. If I can get a 3P target off of this trade, I'll win the I'll win the combine before that. But if I can get it, if that happens, then we'll see. First things first. 3P target from entry point is 60.65. We're going to go at 60.69. That'll win it. Unleash this. 61.07 is 1. 60.86 is 2. Taking it down to S1. We're trading between pivot and S1 right now. Closing in on the 1P there. Then you can see what my target is, and actually looking at 3P at 65. Who needs me? Alright, that's good enough to get the break even here. Use this as break point right here. Oh, that came up in an awful hurry. We're going to use 27 plus 5. +27 plus 4. You know, I like it better at 32 though. Although if it goes 31, it goes 32. Might as well take one less hit. One less tick of a hit. You can see our lower high pattern here. We really don't want to see 27 right now. The other side of this is we might go up from here. Prairie dogging. $33. Looking at a doubled high here. Just barely made it. I'm going to try to fake out one time though. $61.33 is $61.12. 1p target. $3p target now is $60.70. Come off that 60.70. 63. Call it 73 right now. $60.91. Looking at Gann signals here. There's 1, 2, 3. Might have to have one more. Hopefully we can hold in. Blue bar volume there. I'm using that. 933. At 807. Looking at top of range right there. Just barely made a new high by a couple ticks. I mean a new session, not high. 37 versus 40. It was only a 3-tick difference between the two of them. Still confirms a lower high pattern still. High today being 61.83. This was the range that I had early on the charts. This range here coincides with highest red bar volume coming back here. So we need to break above that 42 mark roughly. So call it 43. Pivot is way up here. Bye, honey. Have a good day.
Call me later. I'm not working.
Don't you have your phone?
I do, but I can't answer. Please call me.
All right. 62.12. his pivot today. Here is S1 down here at 60.79. Path of least resistance, in my humble opinion, is trading pivot to S1. We had a red day yesterday, so I'm looking for a continuation of another red day. We've actually had a red day on, looks like we've had 2 red days, and we're trying to make this 3. A correction, so one more day of correction. Let's look at our hourly charts and put an extension on there. We can easily hit our our target here if it wants to go. %, brings it to 60.39, it looks like. So there's plenty of space here to get to our target. Looking at break-even protection again. The other side of this is where it's making higher lows right here, and we have it's what we need to break. We need to break that pattern. Use that plus 5 ticks. It's 34. 30 plus 5. Don't want to be on 35. We'll go 36. We'll go plus 5. It's hard to get position, so I kind of want to hold on to it if I can. I'm trying to keep this lower high pattern. If we can bust through this lower highs here, got a chance. Ah, shit, I just hit the wrong damn button. Figures. Should be a undo button if you screw something up. This breaks this out. We'll have to go and wait for high volume bar. Marking the highest volume bar, the trend line. Keep track of that. So it gives us the ability to at least lock in 31. $61.12 is 1p. waiting for a 1p mark to be hit. 2, 60.91. And then that's 3 down there. So let's just mark it. 60.70. Moving. Just in case it gets violent and does this. To it, not through it. 2 1p but not through. Through. Good. If I get lucky enough to get this on this run here, make a 3p run all at one time, which can easily happen. 94 is the low. Hopefully we bust through that and make new lows. We're going to lock in at least 5 now. Let's call it 61.27. We'll go ahead and lock in 10. Down here at the low. Trying to win on this trade. 60.73. Probably get I'm at 31,394 right now. All I need is 15, say 1550. Need about 15 ticks from here. 84. I can win this around 83. It looks like we'll go 81, 79. It's just basically trying to win the combine right now on this trade. 79, 23, in at 33, 61, 33 minus 60, 79, 540. Times 10 plus 31,080, 620. So it looks like I can go 83, 81, 60, 81 minus 61, 33 is 52, minus 1 is 51, minus 10, 41, excuse me, plus 10, times 10, minus 10, plus 3180. That's not good enough. Go 79. 79 will be more than enough. 2P target once again is 91. So we're sitting on S1 there, it looks like. $60, $80. That's 2P right there. To it and through it, to 2P now. Now it's just a matter, can we win it on this particular trade? Can win it with 81. $61.15 plus 5 is $61.20. Go $61.21. Let's look at volume. Shouldn't be the end of the down, we'll see though. Fighting off of S1 here. 14 plus 5 is 19. It's a pretty big, it's a very steep retracement right here. Extremely steep retracement angle. It'd be very hard for it to maintain. Alright, here we go. Can we run our target? Win here. We're going to lock 61.13 now. I'm looking for 31.5, right? Plus a little bit. I need one more day of trading. Locking in a 1p target now. Looking for a run to at least S1 here. You would think the path of least resistance is to hit the S1 line. $60.85 is the low. It was $60.94, so I don't believe 85 should be the low. We should easily get into the 70 handle. All those traders know that S1 line sitting there. They want to know what's there, what's below that. See if they can find some stops down there. I don't want to move any closer because I need 60.81 to win and feel comfortable that I've got enough profit to trade that to have that next day. Got it. There you go. 31,583. I've won the combine. Tomorrow will be day 5. I'll just do my one tick trade and I'm done and I'll move on. So it looks like next Monday I should be in FTP. Today was the end of day 4. What I want to do is just make sure there's nothing sitting out there. I always do this, make sure that there's nothing sitting out here that I don't know about. I hit it 15,000 times. That was a fun 35 minutes. So tomorrow will be the one tick trade again. Now, as far as following this trade out, oops, don't need that. 3P target is 60.70. All you need to do is get above 1500 plus a little bit, right? So tomorrow, if I $3.70 with the commission cost, a $10, so 13 bucks. For let's just call it 15. So 15 bucks, and even if I lose 2 ticks on that trade, um, I should be still sitting at 31,565, 31. I still should be at least $60, $70 higher off of, even if I lost, 31,555. I mean, I should still be above 31.5, even taking a tick slippage tomorrow. And I'll trade off hours to get it, so it's not within a period of time, coming in prior to the open outcry open. This trade 151 ticks. Target for the 3P target is 30, excuse me, not 30, 60, 70. So we'd still be in this if I wasn't going for a profit target. I'd be going after that right there. 70. Let's see a red bar here too, by the way. See some stop running right in this area. 1776. I'm going to stop this video at 3P today if we get it. I would protect 10 ticks here now on at least one contract. So I'd look at 70 or 80, whichever gets printed first. I'd call it 81. Alright, so it just got hit. So there you go. So you're out on your initial contract, and now I'd be trailing anything left if I was trading more than one. So now I'd be using the blue line like I always do, and then eventually the blue line's going to cross over and you'll exit the trade at some point. But as long as it stays in, I'll update on the daily chit chat talk that I do where this trade exited, but there's no need to follow along anymore because hey, I'm already won. I'm done. I move on to the next stage. It's the FTP. I have to trade tomorrow, be day 5, and I'm writing here is enough profit to move to FTP. And then for day 5, 1 tick trade, boom, done, move on. Monday I'll be hitting that the FTP again, and then hopefully moving back into the funded account after that. So just do one more screenshot here. Say that we hit 3p. That was 2p over there. Three p today was 60.70. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Once again, this is Dave Knight from 123 Day Trade. I hope you enjoyed today's live trading. We move on. Today was the end of day 4 for me on the Combine. Tomorrow it will be day 5. I'll take my one tick trade and move on to FTP. One tick trade means I'll probably lose 13.70 on it to say 23.70, but still have enough profit to be above 31.5. So I got basically 8 ticks that I can work with here and still stay above 31.5. So I have $80 a cushion. I have an $80 cushion. So as long as I don't lose more than say 7 ticks tomorrow plus commission cost, I'll still move on. So all I need is a one tick trade. Lose 13.70 tomorrow from 31.583. I should finish above 31.560 to 31.550. So I should finish tomorrow, be day 5, boom, move to stage 2 they call it now, or step 2 I think they call it now. So this tomorrow will be the end of step 1 with me taking my one tick trade and moving on, and then moving into FTP, and then same thing, hit that $1,500 target, move on to next level. If I was trading this with one contract, I'd still stay in it, and I'd be looking, I don't know where I'd be hunting for. I mean, honestly, I can tell you I'd be hunting for 60.36 right now, at least with the GAN number. That I can tell you where I'd be looking for. I think the market could at least fall to that, but this is very attractive to me right there too. We're close enough to make a move to the 59 handle. 59.99 hit that 190-degree angle. So that would be a pretty attractive target for me to be able to go after. Closest that we can get to it is a 6p move at 60.07. That's probably where I'd be looking at exiting the trade altogether at 60.07, 60.70, $60.07. That looks like a pretty cool area. So another 70 ticks roughly from here. It would be a possible target, and I would use this as an exit point, or if we get far enough underneath S1, I'd use S1. So I was hunting for a profit target today to win the Combine and move on. That's all I was doing today. Once I get to a certain point, the only thing I'm concerned with is moving on. Today was move on to next stage, next step. In this case, move on to step 2. I hope that makes sense. Hope that you learned something, and I look forward to hopefully well, we're going to be looking at that journeyman course that I'm putting together, and around the 19th, the week of the 19th, the week of the 18th, start putting together basically a 4-week course is my goal right now, with perhaps a bonus week, and don't plan on charging for it. Although if it is, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I don't plan on charging unless I feel like that I don't want Freddie freeloaders either. So it might be a $9.99 charge is the only thing I'm thinking of right now. You know, that would pay my Demio cost for a month to have it, to put it up, and to do a live webinar. And if I want to keep it up or not, I can decide what I want to do from there. I haven't really made up my mind what I want to do, but if I do, you know, it's basically, if I do charge, it's just because I want to get rid of the tire kickers. I don't want people that I don't want the Freddie freeloaders in. I just, you know, and to me, if you can't spend $10 to get trained, then you know, you're basically saying I'm not worth 2 Starbucks coffees. So Um, I think that's fair. All right. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next video put together. Bye for now.